What's up, YouTube? It's been a minute. So, I'm checking in. First things first, I want to let you know I have not forgotten about you, I promise. I know it's been a while since I got to upload last, and I just wanted to fill you in a bit about what's going on. So, the salmon season has ended. And after the salmon season ended, I took a little bit of time for travel. Went to go see some important people to me and spend some time with them. But now that I'm done traveling, I'm back in New Jersey, the place I grew up, and looking for a van I can work on. I have a van already, but it's got a real low roof. I'm going to try and get something with a higher ceiling to start building out so I can have a more comfortable living space for the long term going forward. So that's happening right now. In the meantime, I have some great videos I'm trying to edit so that I can get them out to you. Some beautiful footage from Cordova. I've got one vlog I'm real excited about. Just a real beautiful, cozy day out in the sun, enjoying a hike and a day in town. It's a real great video. I'm looking forward to getting that to you so you can all see it and enjoy it with me. But my software and my computer is on the fritz. It's really acting up. I've got a team of specialists over at Adobe helping me out with fixing this software problem. So it's gonna be a minute until I can continue editing and getting you some real quality content like I'm trying to get to you. But I'm doing my part, and just bear with me. It's coming up, I promise. I haven't left you behind. But that's about the gist of what's happening right now. As far as some other updates, some things that are changing, like I just mentioned, I'm looking for a van, and when I start building out the van and I start getting to really flesh out the ideas for how it's going to get built out, the style for my publishing of content is going to change a little bit, and I may be publishing on more platforms than just this one. There may be a name change to this platform as well soon, so look out for that. The icon's going to stay the same, so if you see a name change in the same icon, it's still me, so you can rest easy. But there's going to be a couple of changes to how just publishing works in the near future. Along with other changes, I'm going to be updating a little bit of gear, going to be upgrading a camera and hopefully upgrading my microphone too, so really looking forward to that. And one final huge update, which I was super stoked about, was that I have my first Patreon now. I was blown away. I didn't think it was going to happen for a long time. And so right now I want to take a second and give a special shout out to Christian Nomad. My dude, I can't express to you how much I appreciate your support. Even donations as small as $1 just mean the world to me. Just lets me know that there's people out there that really want to see me continue making content and continue trying to getting you some high quality, enjoyable videos out there for you. And so Christian Nomad, thank you so much for your support. It means the world to me, so thank you. And also, just in the more broad sense, we passed 300 subscribers. I remember back in the winter, something like 6 months ago, I did a 100 subscriber update, and that was about 6 months into my YouTubing time. And since then, we've tripled the number of subscribers that we have here. I feel so blessed. I did a video for 100 subscribers, and I meant to do one for 300, but life just got crazy right around that time, and so I just want to say thank you to everyone who subscribed and wanted to just enjoy content that I'm making. Your presence is appreciated. I'm going to do everything I can to make the best videos for you I can. So, some things for y'all to chew on, think about, maybe comment about. There is going to be a new channel coming out for specifically van life content, van building content, and things of that nature. So drop in the comments down here if you're going to be interested in seeing the van life kind of videos. And I still need a title for this page. So if you have title ideas for my new van life living page, go ahead and drop some names in the comments. I want to hear your thoughts. I may pick up on one of them, and that might just be the one. So go ahead and do that. Got some more Cordova and fishing content coming up for you soon. And I'm looking forward to all the cool stuff. That's all I got for y'all today, folks. Subscribers, thank you for subscribing. Christian Nomad, thank you for being my first Patreon. And hang tight, I'm gonna get to some real good videos real soon, everybody. So, thanks for everything. This is Broke and Free. And until next time, peace.